I'm just doing setup on the new controller I received. Initially, it just started up, stayed on DJI, didn't happen anything at all for a long period. I'll double pressed the on button and got a long beep, and then it turned off. When I turned it on again, it let me continue, or actually it let me start doing the configuration. Now I'm coming to time, and I'm not allowed to change anything, and nothing happens. I'm trying to go back, nothing happens. So it seems it's unresponsive. So I will have to close it again and start up once more. And it's not responding, as you see. So I just close the app. This does not look good. Okay. Try once more. Oh, it definitely doesn't look good. Yeah, nothing happens. So I guess I have to restart it again. I did a restart and have now connected it to my computer and opened the Assistant 2, but of course it doesn't start up fully, so therefore I can't connect to Assistant 2. I guess I have to restart again. Not impressed. Yeah, this is a strange sound that I got earlier. And restart again. Okay, at least it's a bit more responsive now. Let's hope it keeps up. Because it did not do this the last time I started. And honestly, it does seem like it's stuck on 33%. I'll wait a little more and see what happens. If nothing happens, I guess I have to restart again. And that will be restart number 6, I believe, to manage to get this to work. I waited a long time, and finally it actually went on going, and then it said it had problems starting the Fly app. And now it's stuck like this, and I have to restart again. Finally starting up, but what I will do before I do anything else, now I have contact on the Assistant 2, I will most certainly refresh the firmware via Assistant 2. Okay, this might be the reason why it struggles so much. It might be that it did do some download or something in the background, but it didn't say anything, it just locked. But I see here that it's on a very old version, and there is a later version, so I will just install that one instead. Okay, I started up the controller, and as you see, it started up. Nothing happens, so I guess I have to stop it, and yeah, that's a strange sound again. I don't know what's happening. Okay, let's restart again. I sincerely hope that it will be more stable in the future. I don't know whether it needs to adjust itself or something.